In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your filing. If you've entered information in TurboTax and realized you want a completely fresh start, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to wipe the current return and begin again without touching any past returns in your account. Before we begin, a quick note. Clearing your return permanently removes what you've entered in the current file, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the tax return you want to clear and confirm you're in the correct tax year. From the tax home screen, click Continue to enter your current return. This takes you back into the interview where your entries live. Next, look to the left side menu. Scroll down until you see Tax Tools and click it. Under Tax Tools, select Tools. A pop-up window will appear with additional options. In that window, find and click Clear and start over. TurboTax will display a warning explaining that everything you've entered in the current return will be removed. This step is intentional to prevent accidental resets, so take a moment to read it carefully. If you want a record of what you had, consider saving or printing a copy beforehand, as you won't be able to retrieve it after clearing. If you're not signed in yet, or you need a quick way to get to TurboTax, use the link in the description to access your account and manage your return. Once you're ready to proceed, confirm the reset by clicking Yes or Clear and start over. TurboTax will begin clearing the information you've entered. This might take a few moments. Don't close the window while it's working. When the reset is complete, TurboTax will return you to the very beginning of the filing process. You'll know it worked if the interview starts from the start and none of your previously entered data appears. Take a quick look around to verify that sections you completed earlier are now blank and that you're seeing the initial setup prompts. From here, you can begin entering your tax information again from scratch. This fresh start is helpful if you selected the wrong options early on or imported incorrect documents. Keep in mind, this process only affects the return you're working on. It doesn't delete your account or any returns you've already filed. If your return has already been filed and accepted, clearing isn't available. You'd explore an amendment instead. That's it. You've successfully cleared your filing and are ready to start anew. Thanks for watching.